The Attorney General for DC is suing the Trump administration over their hostile takeover of DC police. Here's what we know. DC Attorney General Brian Schwalb filed a lawsuit in federal court Friday after the Trump administration took federal control of the Metropolitan Police Force. The lawsuit comes less than 1 day after U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi appointed head of the Drug Enforcement Administration Terry Cole to be the city's emergency police commissioner, ordering DC's mayor and police department to give him full control of MPD for the duration of Trump's takeover. By declaring a hostile takeover of MPD, the administration is abusing its limited, temporary authority under the Home Rule Act, infringing on the district's right to self-governance, and putting the safety of DC residents and visitors at risk, Schwab's lawsuit states. The DC Attorney General said that the Trump administration's unlawful actions are affront to the dignity and autonomy of DC residents, calling the takeover the gravest threat to home rule that the district has ever faced. The 1973 Home Rule Act establishes a local government in DC with a series of limitations. A provision in the Home Rule Act allows the president to temporarily order the mayor to provide the federal government with DC police services in special conditions of an emergency. Bondi's order said that Cole would assume all of the powers and duties vested in the District of Columbia Chief of Police. Schwab's lawsuit argues that implementing this order would upend the entire command structure of MPD and sow chaos among more than 3,100 officers serving the district, endangering the safety of the public and law enforcement officers alike. DC Mayor Muriel Bowser backed the Attorney General's argument that Bondi's order is unlawful on social media Thursday. Bowser wrote that during a presidential emergency, the law requires the mayor of Washington, D.C. to provide the services of the Metropolitan Police Department for federal purposes at the request of the president. She added that there is no statute that conveys the district's personnel authority to a federal official in reference to Bondi's order. What do you think of the Trump administration's takeover of DC police? Let us know in the comments.